Welcome to part 8 in a series. We're talking about discrimination education as it pertains to employment law through the EEOC administrative process. Okay, so in part 8, we want to talk about how you just don't blindly trust your doctor. So you shouldn't blindly trust your attorney. If you go to the doctor, you're going to do a little bit of research on, okay, what are your symptoms? What are the likely causes? And what can you do on your own? Whether that's exercise, diet, or, just trying different things before you just say, hey, doc, fix me. Same thing with an attorney. You want to educate yourself about the process to be an active participant in your case. After all, it's your case. This is something that happened to you that you are seeking some relief for. So to just blindly trust someone with that is not, I would say that it's not prudent. So what are some things that you can do to be an active participant in your case? Well, like we talked about in some of the previous videos, you want to be aware of the legal elements. What does the law say about the claims that you are making, the charges that you are filing? What does the law say about it? Educate yourself about that. A great resource that I use it's called Mastering Employment Discrimination Law, and it's a book that you can find on Amazon. Mastering Employment Discrimination Law goes over a lot of those elements that we're talking about. Another thing you can do is understand how case law applies to the charges that you are making. Okay, there's statutes, and then there's case law. Statutes are created through the legislative process, through Congress, and then you have case law, which is that happens through the judicial branch when the justices or the judges review a case and they interpret the law and they make findings. So you want to educate yourself a little bit about those decisions that have been made as they pertain to your case specifically. And then you also want to really understand the EEOC processes, procedures, guidelines, and the timelines, the time deadlines that they have set up for you to be able to do certain things. Now, that's a lot of information. So in the next video, I'm going to talk to you about the pros and cons of getting an attorney, and the pros and cons of going at it alone. If you like this video, I'd like you to like it, share it, subscribe, and my contact information is, again, as always, going to be in the description. I look forward to seeing you in part 9.